Hello everyone, today I will show you how to publish your Base44 app. First, make sure your app is ready. Test all pages and features in the preview window. Walk through every button, every form, every link. You want to be sure it works like you expect before you publish it. Once you are satisfied, look at the top right of the app editor. You will see a Publish button. This is the button that takes your app from draft mode to production. Click the Publish button. Base44 handles hosting for you, so there is no separate deployment step or server setup you must do. Once published, Base44 generates a URL that you can share with anyone. After publishing, copy the generated link and open it in a new browser tab. This shows your live app outside of the editor. You can share this link with colleagues or users. Anyone with the link can visit your app. If you want your app to look even more like a native product, connect a custom domain from the app dashboard. This step is optional but gives your app a branded web address that is easier for users to remember. Thanks for watching.